Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Phantom Wallet in your phone. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. Open Play Store if you're on Android and open App Store if you're on iPhone. Now you want to tap on this search option at the top of the screen right here and then type Phantom Wallet here. You can just type Phantom and here it is, this app. Now press search and this is the app. You simply want to tap on that green install option right besides the name. So yeah, tap on that and wait for the app to get installed. Let's wait. Now that the app has been installed, you simply tap on that green open option which will direct you to the app. Create an account and it is all set to use. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.